All right, look how dirty the rock is. This has been a problem. All my subscribers are talking about it. This is that nice 1 3/4 cobble that we love so much. And it's full of dirt and it's got some fines. But the good news is the Boffman high octane, all that dirt just washes right through these large inlets. You can see we got the parallel pipes. Before Francisco covers it up, they cut the bell fitting off of both of these Ys and put an internal Boffman internal coupler. Look at that. Just want to show you guys that connection. An internal 4-inch coupler with 2 Ys modified. Now subscribers, does that make you feel better? Look at the stone we're getting. Look at the dirt. You should see how muddy the water is the first few rains, because it just goes right through those big inlets on the pipe. The dirt just washes right through out to the discharge. The discharge on this system is going to be in the woods. We're going to put our high octane to daylight with a critter guard. So we still have that nice big stone, that big round rock that we love. And after a few really good rains, which we're now in the rainy season, so the days of working on dry ground are over. Now we're working on muddy ground, something we got to get used to. It was the 2-month drought, you know, that, well, July, August, and even September this year was good. So we had 3 months. The weather always balances out. So it's such a wet spring, we had a drier summer. But we knew it was coming. We knew it was coming. All right, guys, so don't worry about your dirty rock. If you know that you can't get clean rock that's washed and screened right down to the real big round rock, you have to use the high octane. The dirt washes through the big inlets. The inlet is double the width of the agricultural 8-slot yellow. So there you have it. And then we're going to put some blind inlets in place strategically to help take in bulk water, because this is the lowest point of the yard and there's so much water that just comes off all the sheet water from the roof, the balcony, and it just all ends up coming into this bed area. It's killed every plant. You can see where there used to be plants in these holes, and one by one, root rot, no oxygen to the roots, kills the plants. Look, we dug here to find the sprinkler system and it already filled in with water. So we're doing an open French drain right here and tying it into our burrito wrap. All right, guys, until the next video.